Attitudinal healing is a powerful yet simple method that guides people of all ages and circumstances to experience lasting love and inner peace. It helps heal the judgments, blame, shame, and self-condemnation that keeps us from real happiness. Attitudinal healing is based on the belief that it's not people or experiences from the past or even in the future that cause us to be upset. Rather, it's our thoughts, attitudes, and our judgments about them that cause us the distress. Healing results when we concentrate on changing our own attitudes rather than trying to change others. Guiding principles help us learn to look at pain from the past and fear of the future so we can choose to experience inner peace in the present. People from many cultures, faiths, and denominations, as well as those who follow no faith, participate in attitudinal healing. It doesn't tell you what to believe. Rather, it teaches you how to listen to your own inner wisdom and to make decisions based on love rather than fear. Attitudinal healing pioneered the peer support group model and training, which is now used in dozens of countries on 6 continents in numerous innovative ways, which include relationships and education, community programs, business, hospitals, health and wellness, racial healing, and prisons. As we change our minds, we change our lives. As we heal ourselves, the world heals with us.